guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a QR code for a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. So first head over and launch Adobe Acrobat and start opening up your PDF file. Now from here, at the top corner of your screen, click on Edit, scroll down, and click on Prepare a Form. Then next, in the left panel, click on Barcode and stamp it over your PDF file. So here we're going to change it to QR code, and to do that, double click on this field. Then next is switch to options, and here we're going to change the symbology from this to QR code. This will transform the barcode into this QR code style. You can also modify settings for this QR code such as value, actions, position, and general settings. And once done, you can head over and close this window. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!